In this video, I will show you how to make Notion into light mode or dark mode. Now, what people don't realize is when you come down here, okay, there's actually more options. So if I scroll down or I use this and slide it down here, you'll see settings. Okay, now if I go ahead and click on this icon, the gear icon or the settings, and this will open up a pop-up where if you see right here under preferences, we have appearance. Okay, this is where we can change it. So I'll go ahead and click on this drop down, this arrow. Okay, now it is set to our system setting. So if our system setting was light mode, it will stay at light mode. But if you want to change it to dark mode, you just choose dark mode and just wait for like 2-3 seconds, and there you go. Notion has changed to dark mode. And if I want to change it to light mode or whatever my system setting is, I can toggle this one. And there we go. It changes like that. It's really that easy and simple.